The goal of this partnership with L'Oréal Paris is to create a community of social entrepreneurs in the field of climate and gender. The purpose of this initiative is to build innovative alliances between social entrepreneurs and leading corporations in order to tackle global challenges at scale. Because we need more women to be social entrepreneurs in the world. We know they are there, but we also know that they don't have access to support, to capital, to networks. We are extremely proud to engage with L'Oréal Paris because we believe that all together we can combine the assets of the company with the power of social entrepreneurs if we want to tackle those global issues at scale. What we want to establish is really a new norm, a culture where everyone in a company feels empowered. We believe that we can set the bar at a new level and really create a new way of collaborating between social and business.
Because our planet is worth it.